Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most amazing and beautiful designing ideas of crochet scarves. You will see some most amazing and beautiful patchwork designs with amazing color schemes in this video. All of these designs are having different kinds of crochet square patterns in them. Most of the designs are having a granny square pattern, but you will see modified granny square pattern and a pattern of granny square with a flower in the center like this one, which is having a sunflower pattern made with a sunflower color scheme. You will see very attractive and gorgeous straight style color schemes, funky color schemes, and nice and attractive light color schemes used in these projects. So in this video you will find almost all types of color schemes. So whatever type of color scheme you like, light or bright, unique, funky, or straight style, all kinds of designs are available in this single video. So you can just take a screenshot of any specific design which you like the most and you want to make, and you can make it by yourself at home if you're not crochet work, just with the help of picture, because these designs are simple granny square pattern mostly. So these are super beginner friendly and super easy to make as well. So give them a try by taking a screenshot of any specific design and any specific color scheme in which you want to make your own project. So give them a try and share your opinion in the comment box if you love them. If you have any difficulty in making them, you can just let me know in the comments as well. I will answer your questions. And other than these kinds of ideas videos, I also upload crochet tutorial videos. So many of the square patterns are already available on my channel. You can just check these square patterns and you can make these kinds of beautiful crochet scarves with the help of these square patterns. For joining method, you can use a single crochet stitch method. Join as you go method can be used. You can use a sewing needle to sew these patches together, and you can use a slip stitch method as well. So there are many methods to join different granny square patches together, and you can use any of these patterns which you are comfortable in working with. So don't forget to subscribe to get more videos and tutorial videos of crochet work like this. So stay connected, press the red subscribe button, and after that press the bell icon as well to get the notifications of every future upload available on this channel. So I upload almost daily of these type of very attractive and gorgeous ideas, and I upload crochet tutorial videos almost once in a week. So you will get amazing crochet tutorial videos on my channel as well. Do let me know in the comments if you are interested in a full scarf video as well. I will make it for you if you are interested. And stay connected, share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and your family. Bye.